in the previous section, we have looked about Hibernate, that how Hibernate works. So we have already discussed that Hibernate is an ORM object relational mapping framework in which like an framework, we have some layers which coordinate with each other, and we have some classes and the database tables, and our aim here is to build the connection between them. For this, basically, we need ORM techniques in which we map each Java classes and entities to the table and entities present in the database. So now we will see that how we do some coding with respect to Hibernate, so that we can be clear with respect to some of the coding terminology with respect to Hibernate. So we start our Eclipse, and here we go to file and then to Java projects. Here we mention it Hibernate example 3, like that we can give it. So we go to the next and then finish it up, and we have some couple of libraries where we will go to the source the build path, and in build path configure build path, and in libraries folder we will add the libraries by user library, and there we have Hibernate 5.8.9 and MySQL connector. So this will help us to connect with the MySQL database. So here we will first take the class model. So com dot so this is, here we will be mentioning as employee. So employee will be our class name. So we will be making a class employee. This will be basically will be having entity which is coming from persistence. So entity, and then we will mentioning the table. So here the table name will be we will be having the table name. So we can mention this as an employee here. So we can mention it employee here, so like that. So after having this, we will be quickly having the ID. So private int ID, and here we will be having after ID we will be having employee name. So private string emp name, and then we will be having employee address. So we will be having address, okay, and then mobile number. So we will be having the mobile number. So we will be having emp mobile number. Okay, we gave in all. So we take it like this. So now here it will be having annotation of ID, and we will having generate value. So generate value, and after this after generated value, basically we will be having that generic generator also. So we will have the generic generator. So this generic generator has a name as as you can have inc jan. So it is including generation strategy we have to opt. So strategy we will be having high-low. So high-low strategy will be fair enough for this. So so here high-low strategy will be opting. So after that we will have one default constructor. So private so employee is there, and make one default constructor. So we just go to the source using fields. We can have that we have, and then we just go to source, just create the getter and setters for all the fields. We have the getter and setters, and the most we have the toString methods, and here we have the toString method. So for that, so now we had the column annotations also. So we have, wait, we have the column annotation also with name, uh, employee name, and with respect to name, with respect to employee address. So address, and with respect to employee mobile number, we will be having name, um, mobile number. So that's how all the columns are being created. So some annotation mistake is okay, now it's cool. So table also we have taken from javax.persistence. So table is also taken. So now it's good to go, that we have taken the table also, and which is coming from javax.persistence table. ID is javax.persistence ID, and generated value also javax from a persistence generated value, and entity also from javax.persistence entity. So after having the model class for enough, so we just make one utility class. So in the coming session we will make the utility class. So continue in the next session. So in the next session we will be making the utility class, and we will try to run this program. Thank you.